What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, today is Friday, so that means it's Financial Friday. And in today's video, let's talk assets, making money, working, enjoying life, passive income, all of that. But before we get into that today, I just want to say, we have some new subscribers here. So I want to say, first of all, thank you to you guys for subscribing. If you're new around here, let me just give you a little bit about me. This channel is called The Money Management. We talk about money, making money, keeping money, saving money, how to make more money, online business, some stocks, some investing, some real estate, and loads more. And to that, I have my own smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. Link is in the description below. We have a few different models in many different colors for boys, girls, men, women, all of that. So go check us out. Again, link is in the description below, so check that out. But overall, hope you guys enjoy the channel. Glad to have you here. Again, welcome. So like I said, today let's talk about some assets. But let me give you a little story before we go into that today. So let's imagine you're lucky enough to live until you're 75. Every single day until that age, you sleep 8 hours. You also work 8 hours. For some of you, maybe 9 hours. But you sleep 8 hours and work 8 hours until you're 75. So I want you to think about this now. Those 8 hours sleeping and 8 hours working have caused this to happen. By the time you're 75, you spent 25 years working, 25 years sleeping, and 25 years living. And now those 25 years living, you may be enjoying life. Hopefully you're enjoying life, because that's actually a third of your life. So hopefully you guys are enjoying life. But either way, my point here stands. A third of your life living. Only a third of your life living, a third of your life enjoying life. A third of your life is spent on working, putting in hours for someone else usually. And a third of your life is spent sleeping, being in your bed, being fast asleep. Now, of course, it's important to earn money. It's important to sleep. But this is what I want to say today. This is what I want you guys to remember. You may be in a position right now where you exchange time for money, but you by no means have to go forward only doing that. Find instruments which can pay you while you sleep. Find instruments that can pay you while you enjoy your life. Find instruments where you don't have to exchange time for money. You don't have to trade minutes, hours for your dollars, for your euros, for your pounds, any of that. You're able to make money because you own an instrument that can make you money at any time, any point in the day. And you might say out loud, hey, that's very rare. You have to be one of the big guys to do that. That is not the case. As you guys know, like I mentioned, my smartwatch company. Guess when I can make sales? I can make sales at 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 10 a.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 11 p.m. It doesn't matter. Now, right now, that may not be happening each and every day, but I guarantee you, within 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, that will definitely be happening. Now, once that happens, I do not have to spend 8 hours purely working for money. I will not have to only enjoy life for 8 hours in a day. Again, when it comes to when you're 75, remember you would have spent a third of your life sleeping, a third of your life working. And that is a situation we do not want to be in. I'm going to tell you again, find an instrument, find something that can pay you no matter what you're doing. You're in that third of the day you're enjoying life, you can get paid. You're in that third of the day where you're working for money. You can get paid from what you're working, but you can also get paid from your other instruments. And it doesn't have to be a smartwatch company. Here, actually, I want you to focus on assets. Because when it comes to your assets, you won't have to put in as much time as effort as you will having, to own a company. When it comes to your stocks, your stock dividends, your real estate, your rental properties, your apartment complexes, when it comes to your tenants paying rent, or your own, businesses which are automated, you'll be getting paid at different hours of the day. You'll be getting paid while you enjoy life. You'll be getting paid while you sleep. You'll be getting paid while you're working to make some money for someone else. But as it's Financial Friday, the important thing here, the emphasis here is that we learn how to manage our finances. We learn how to do these kind of things so we can live the life of our dreams. So I want to tell you today, start off by educating yourself about investments. Start off by educating yourself about assets. Find which assets may suit you. And, when it comes to being successful financially, becoming financially free, a lot of the time you're going to have to try different things out to see what works for you. You might invest in something today, it doesn't work out for you. You might try and, invest in real estate in one method and it doesn't work out for you. You might try a different method in real estate and it does work out for you. Take this for example. You do fix and flips, but your contractors always screw you over. You're not really good at turning over properties in a short period of time, let's say 3 months. It's taking you a year to turn over properties just to get a 5K, 10K profit. Or maybe you go and get a loan, purchase an apartment complex. Use that to get yourself, 20, 30 units, and now you're getting paid each and every month by 20, 30 people, or however many people there are, depending on the occupancy rate. Now, you see that's working out for you a lot better than, flipping houses, flipping properties. You bought something, in this case, an apartment complex, you buy it, you hold it. Many people under the same roof paying you each and every month. But on the other hand, other people might choose to, do fix and flips because it works well for them. They know the right contractors, they know the right people, they know the right areas to get properties sold, they know, good real estate agents. They know how to find properties for cheap, fix them up quickly, and get it all turned over within 3 months from start to finish. That's the good thing about this day and age, and also, many years in the past. There are so many different assets out there to make you some money. There are so many different ways to get you some passive income, get you that money without you having to work too hard. What you'll realize is achieving financial freedom is a lot easier than you think. Once you play your cards right, once you save your money, you invest your money right, you try out a few different things because you will fail along the way, you'll find out what works for you. And the best thing is you can double down on that. So eventually you don't have to spend 25 years of your life sleeping, another 25 years of your life working, and only another 25 years of your life enjoying life, being free, having the life you want. Now for some it's even less, because some people live to 50, some people live to 60, some people live, to 30. But what I'm trying to say here, and what I'm really trying to, emphasize, is the fact that not enough people realize that all those hours you're sleeping, all those hours you work for someone else, you're not getting enough hours for yourself. You might go on holiday once or twice a year. Sure, that's cool, that's nice. What about going 3, 4, 5 times a year? And how are you getting paid? Your assets are paying for that. How are you able to spend money while you're there? Your assets are paying for that. The flight you purchased, the round trip you purchased, was covered by the tenants that are paying rent. The all-inclusive holiday you booked, it was covered by your stock dividends. The extra food you bought there, the shopping you did, any extra curricular activities you did there, was all covered by revenues from your business. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about today. Those assets that can earn you money passively, those assets that can bring you money, bring you revenue each and every month. And the good thing is you don't have to stop at one. You can get a few different stocks. You can invest in diversified mutual funds. You can also purchase real estate. You can also purchase commodities. You can also have 2 businesses, 3 businesses. You can also work your own job. You can also work for someone else. You have many different options. But the main point today is you can own assets which will help you enjoy life. But it all starts with educating yourself. And you may wonder, how can you educate yourself? Trust me, you have everything you need for free. You don't always have to invest in a mentor. You don't always have to buy a course. But you can use YouTube. Search on YouTube assets, for beginners. How to make money online. How to trade stocks. How to invest in real estate with no money. You can find these videos on YouTube. In this day and age, it's all out there. You don't want YouTube, you don't want to watch videos? Open up the podcast app on your phone, whatever podcast app you have. Search real estate, search businesses, search online businesses, search stocks, search wealth, search investing, search all of that. It's all out there, it's all available to you. Same goes for, the internet. Go onto Google or whichever search browser you use and just type in how to invest in this, how to make money doing this, which assets are best for this, what can I purchase as a beginner. I really want to make it clear to you guys that you can enjoy the life you want. You don't have to spend each and every day of most of your weeks sleeping 8 hours a day, the other third of your day working for someone else, the other third of your day enjoying yourself. And I guarantee you, it's even worse than that. Most days you may sleep 8 hours, yes, but then you're working 9 hours for someone else, or you're commuting 1 hour and 1 hour there and 1 hour back. Or it might even be longer than that. You might be working longer than that. And that only leaves you with 5 or 6 hours to yourself. That's not enough. Because again, when it comes to the fact that you're 75, you're looking back, you're like, why did I spend all that time, doing this for someone else? Why did I spend all that time, not doing what I want to do, not enjoying life? The tools are there. We have the tools at our fingertips. It's up to you to go and use them so you can educate yourself on how to invest in yourself. And once you start investing in yourself, you start investing in assets to bring you some money, to bring you some passive income, to bring you some revenue, bring you different sources of income, all the things you need to enjoy your best life and live the life you want to, creating more wealth for yourself, but also your family, your future family, your loved ones, your friends, and living life to the fullest. I can't stress it enough, guys. Do not wait until you're 65, 75, 80 before you start living. You don't have to live that way anymore. Maybe it was that way 30, 40, 50 years ago, but it's not that way in this day and age. You have the ability to retire when you're 40 and have assets bring you constant money each and every month. Get that cash flow. Use your money wisely. Use your money to make more money. Don't waste your money. Don't spend your money on trying to look good. Don't spend your money on things that don't matter now. Do the correct things now, short term, so you can live the life of your dreams, the life you desire, the life you deserve long term. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. Be back here tomorrow because it's Saturday, it's the weekend. The weekends where winners are made, the weekends where empires are built. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've got money to making, you got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for the weekend. Peace.